Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a lower control arm. First, ensure your vehicle is safely lifted and secured on jack stands. Always work on a level surface for stability. Next, remove the front wheel on the side you are working on. This provides clear access to the lower control arm and its mounting points. Having the right tools, including a good torque wrench, will make this job much smoother and safer. Now, let's disconnect the old control arm. Begin by separating the ball joint from the steering knuckle. A ball joint separator tool can be very helpful here. Next, disconnect the sway bar link where it attaches to the control arm. Finally, remove the two large bolts that secure the control arm to the subframe. These bolts are often quite tight, so be prepared with appropriate leverage. With the old arm removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new lower control arm into its mounting points on the subframe. Insert the two main mounting bolts, but only hand tighten them for now. This allows for some movement when reconnecting other components. Next, reconnect the ball joint to the steering knuckle, ensuring it seats properly before securing it. To finish up, reconnect the sway bar link to the new control arm. Before fully tightening the main control arm bolts, lower the vehicle partially so the suspension is under normal load. This prevents premature bushing wear. Finally, torque all bolts to the manufacturer's exact specifications, which can be around 150 foot-pounds for the main bolts. Reinstall the wheel and have your alignment checked soon.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.